Hello folks, General here. Today I'm doing a quick video on how to start a lawn tractor with a bad solenoid or ignition switch with a bad start position. This particular tractor is a Scots made by John Deere. A lot of you people that are older or have been around internal combustion engines probably know this trick already, so you may want to exit now. After all items needed for the machine to start, such as seat, blade engagement switch, key in the run position, just find the solenoid and then do this. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.